you? I hope all are you good. Today let me start English chapter number 16. Computer emerges. Inside the chapter, in this chapter we will study about the history of computers. कंप्यूटर के इतिहास के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे कैसे क्या क्या हुआ था. So let me start. Computers have been around for quite a few years. Some of your parents were probably around in 1951 when the first computer have changed so rapidly. Many people cannot keep with changes. ठीक है, तो क्या बोला गया है कि कंप्यूटर हैव बीन अराउंड फॉर quite a few years. Some of your parents were probably around in 1951. कुछ के पेरेंट्स 1951 के आसपास की बात है when the first computer have changed so rapidly. बहुत रफ्तार से वो चेंज हुआ था. Many people cannot keep up with changes. Since ancient times, people have had ways to deal with data and numbers. Early people tied notes in rope and carved marks on clay tablets to keep track of livestock and stock. अब क्या होता था, अब कंप्यूटर में बहुत आसानी होती है हमें डेटा नंबर ये सारी चीजें करने की. तो अर्ली पीपल क्या करते थे, वो टाइड नोट्स इन रोप, रस्सी पर नोट बांधते थे, है ना, गांठ बांधते थे मार्क्स करने के लिए. क्ले टैबलेट्स टू कीप ट्रैक ऑफ लाइव स्टॉक एंड स्टॉक. सम पीपल कंसिडर्ड द 5,000 years old abacus, a frame with beads strung on wires, to be the first true computing aid. ठीक है, like this abacus. As trade in text system grew in complexity, people saw the faster, more reliable and exact tools were needed for doing maths and keeping records. Okay, in the mid 1600, Blaise Pascal and his father, who was tax officer himself, were working on taxes for the French government in the Paris. है ना, 1600 के आसपास की बात है. ब्लेस पास्कल और उसके फादर जो है टैक्स ऑफिसर थे और वो फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट के लिए टैक्स का काम करते थे. द टू स्पेंट आवर्स, 2 घंटे खर्च करने के बाद, फिगरिंग एंड डिफिगरिंग टैक्सेस दैट ईच सिटीजन ओड. यंग ब्लेस डिसाइडेड इन 1642, मतलब बहुत टाइम लगता था उनको काउंट करने में ये टैक्स वगैरह की चीजें. फिर यंग ब्लेस जो था उसने 1642 में to build an adding and subtraction machine that could add in such a tedious and time consuming process. उसने बनाया, कोई क्या हुआ, गिल्ड एंड subtract और एडिंग वाली मशीन उसने इन्वेंट की. tedious. The machine Blaise made has a set of 8 gears that work together like an odometer, keeps track of car's mileage. His machine faced many problems, like it was always breaking down. Okay. Second, the machine was slow and extremely costly. वो बहुत धीरे चलती थी और महंगी भी बहुत थी. And people were afraid to use the machine, thinking it might replace their jobs. तो वो सोचते थे कि इसको यूज करने से अच्छा है कि हम नौकरी बदल लें, क्योंकि बहुत यूज करने में उसको बहुत दिक्कत होती थी. The next big step for computers arrived in 1830s when Charles Babbage. अब अगला स्टेप क्या था, 1830 में कंप्यूटर का वो हुआ आविष्कार, चार्ल्स बेबेज ने किया. He decided to build a machine to help him complete and print mathematical tables. उसने डिसाइड किया कि एक मशीन बनानी होगी जो कंप्लीटली प्रिंटेड होगी और उसमें मैथमेटिकल टेबल्स होंगे. Babbage was mathematician who taught at Cambridge University in England. वो था मैथमेटिशियन था, ठीक है, कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी से वो जो इंग्लैंड में है पढ़ा हुआ था. He began planning his calculating machine, calling it the analytical engine. The idea for this machine was amazingly. इस मशीन का जो आइडिया था ना बहुत अमेजिंग था. वो क्यों? Like the computer we know today, it was to read a program for punched cards, figure and store the answers to different problems and print the answer one paper. उस कंप्यूटर पे सारी चीजें करो, प्रॉब्लम्स लिखो, सम्स लिखो और उनका आंसर किस पे, एक उस पेपर शीट पे निकल के आ जाएगा. He died before he could complete the machine. वो उस मशीन को पूरा करने से पहले ही मृत्यु हो गई. However, because of his remarkable ideas and work, Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computer. कंप्यूटर के जनक कौन थे? चार्ल्स बेबेज. The next use step for computers came when Herman Hollerith entered a contest given by the US Census Bureau. The contest was to see who would build a machine that would count and record information faster. Hollerith, a young man, built a machine called the tabulating machine, जिसको टैब बोलते हैं, है ना, that read and store data from punched card. The holes punched in the cards matched each person's answers to questions. ठीक है ना, the holes punched in the cards matched each person's answer to questions. Tabulator read the punched card when they passed over tiny brushes. The first computer was made in 1944 by Harvard's Professor Howard Aiken. The Mark I computer was very much like the design of Charles Babbage, having mainly mechanical parts, but with some electronic parts. This all-purpose machine is what we now know as the PC or personal computer. The Mark I was the first computer financed by IBM and was about 50 feet long and 8 feet tall. The first electronic computer was the ENIAC, यानी कि Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. ENIAC was a general purpose digital computer built in 1946 by J. Presper Eckert and John Moseley. The ENIAC was built at the time of World War II. The ENIAC was 100 feet long and 10 feet. A new type of computer began with John von Neumann's development of software written in binary code. It was a Neumann who began the practice of storing data and instructions in binary code and initiated the use of memory to store data as well as programs. So, while the modern computers are far better and faster than the ENIAC and ADVC of its times, computers of today would not have been possible with the knowledge and work of great inventor and pioneers. और ये सच है कि अगर चार्ल्स बेबेज नहीं होते तो हम लोग उलझे रहते उन्हीं कागज पेन पेपर के उसमें, है ना. तो इसका यूज और आज के टाइम में जो काम है मोस्टली, अब ये मान लो आप 90% जो वर्क है वो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू ही होता है. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर वेरी वेल अंडरस्टैंड दिस चैप्टर. थैंक यू.